What I'm doing here is using our glue pulling process to fix these dents in this roof rail. Since there isn't any access to the backside of this panel, we have to repair these dents from the outside. We use a little bit of industry-made hot glue, a special glue tab, and a slide hammer to pull the tab which grabs the metal and pulls it outwards. After the metal has been pulled out past flat, we have to take a knockdown and a paddle or hammer to tap the metal back down until it is flat. Here we have a before and after repair video clip. As you can see, the dents are quite deep and take a significant amount of work for each dent. This process can take up to 10 minutes per dent depending on the severity of the damage, but a trained and skilled technician should have no problem making this damage disappear. As you can see in this clip, the circled area has a little bit of paint missing. This is a chance you take when glue pulling. Some manufacturers' paint doesn't adhere very well from the factory, and there is always a chance of pulling paint during the glue pulling process. Now we move on to repairing the roof of a vehicle. In order to gain access to the backside of the roof panel, we must first disassemble the interior roof of the car, including visors, overhead consoles, grab handles, interior lights, and anything else that may be holding the headliner to the roof. Here is a sped-up process of lowering a headliner for a roof repair. Now that the headliner is out of the way, we can begin the repair process on the roof. For PDR repairs, we use specialized lights that allow us to see the damage much clearer than using a natural reflection would. But we have to make sure that the light is positioned properly for best line of sight. Once we have our light in the correct spot, we can begin the repair process by pushing out each dent individually until all the dents are flat. Proper tool selection is also really important when fixing hail-damaged cars. Each manufacturer uses different alloys or metals in their vehicles, and using the proper tool or changing your tips on your tools will allow for easier repairs. As we zoom in a bit here, you can see the actual dent repair in process. Each push moves the metal towards flat little by little, and after many small pushes, the dent begins to disappear, and then we can move on to the next dent. And now we have a fully repaired roof. No more dents. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a little about the automotive hail repair process. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thanks, and I hope to see you back soon.